This conference will now be recorded.
Hi Andy. Okay. Today's topic is Django setup. Django setup, or Django installation. Django installation process. Django select installation process. For example, in this video, I am going to discuss about Django setup or Django installation. First of all, to work with Django, we have to install the Django first. To work with Django, we have to install the Django first. Unfortunately, we don't have the setup for Django. Why? Because the Django is a Python framework. That's why we have to install the first of all framework Python. Now we have to discuss the Django based on the operating system. Which operating system you want, Tony? There are the different operating systems. Different settings. Windows operating system is one type of installation, and Unix operating system is one type of installation. Linux operating system is one type of installation. Mac OS is one type of. Ubuntu operating system is one type of. Maya operating system. So maximum Linux and Mac OS both are the same style of installations. But now most of the students' laptops or desktops, and most of the other than software companies, most of them are using only for people who are using for Windows OS only. Okay, now the coding part is also same for all the OS. The operating system installation is different, but here we are the programmer. The mainly for the coding part. Coding part is very important. The coding part is the same for coding part. Don't be confused. Coding part is same for all operating systems. Same for all operating systems. You can install either Windows or Unix or Linux or macOS or Maya. The coding part is same for all operating system. That's why we are using. Okay, first we need a setup. Okay, now the basically what is the Django? What is Django? Django is a web framework. Web framework. It was developed by. Okay, it was developed by the web framework. Web framework developed by Python programming language. Which programming language? Developed by the Python programming language. That's very important. Developed by the Python programming language. That's why. So first we need a Python software. First first we need Python software. In this setup, first we need the Python software. First, how to install the Python software? Now here, very important topic is how to install the Python software. How to install Python software. After Python installation, we set up the Django. First, we need the Python software. How to install the Python? How to install Python? That is very important. How to install Python? Now the Python installation. Go to the click on the Google and Python website. The Python website, official website is www.python.org. This is the official website. In this official website, okay, then go to the downloads. Click on downloads button. Click on downloads button, and here to click on the Python Windows version. And the Windows version, which operating system? The present version is the version is different. Here the present version is different from day by day. Now the latest version is Python 3.8.3. First to install this software and set the Python software. First set up the Python only. After set up the Python completion process completed, now to install the Django. Okay, now go to the www.python.org. Click on the Google. Okay, and clear. Click on the Google. Now the www.python.org. Python.org. This is official website for Python. Okay, clear. Now here the latest version. Now go to the second step here. After completing this process, after completing the python.org process, now click the downloads and click the Windows and click the Python 3.8.3. Okay, clear guys. Up here clear all of you. Now click the download. In the downloads, we are inserting the Python. Here we are selecting the Python 3.8.3. Now we are inserting the Python, selecting the Python file. Okay, here we are in downloads button. The downloads button, click the Windows, and here Windows operating system. Okay, we are selecting this one. Now we are selecting this one is the first of all. Okay, please wait 1 minute. Okay, now to select, click on the Python 3.8.3. 3.8.3 button. Click the 3.8 to make sure that set up the Python set. The installation is the process. Okay. Now click the Python 3.8.3. Now the download starts here. Now here the download is started. Now Python downloading process, not the installations and setups. Only the downloading process completed. Okay. Now clear downloading. And after downloading and open this file. Okay. Now open the file and now install the Python software. After downloading, install the Python software. The 3.8.3. The latest software is Python 3.8.3. Okay. Please wait for a few minutes and immediately automatically the setup is executed. Now here, okay, upgrading the local version already. Okay, see users, app data, local programs, Python 3.8.3. This is already available. Okay, choose location and customize installation. Same is updating or the customizing the another one. So now here the Python is already available in your laptop. So but another version. Now here choose the customize install. Choose the location and the future. Now the location, another location. So now the people here, please observe these are the main important points. So now the documentation, you want documentation. So now the people here, the people, click the people install people, which can download and install other Python packages. What is pip and Python install packages? Okay, this is very important. The pip is important here to click the Python install. Okay, click the Python install package. Now the tick the ideally. Okay, Python suite. Okay, and the PyLauncher also is possible. By default, no need here. And click the next button and click the next button immediately. Now add to environment variables. Okay, these are the very important. And now these are the environment variables. So these are the creating shortcuts for install application. So download debugging symbols. So and so these are, for example, customize the location. Here the location is very important. So now here to select the location. For our location is, for example, so here by default location is C drive. By default location is C drive. Now we are using the F drive. Okay, colon users / so and so values. So app data, program, so and so value, users. Okay, users. Is right, and users. Now, okay, install F drive, not the C drive. Now the install the F drive. The installation process is completed. First of all, first installing 32-bit or 64-bit, any bit. As you like, no problem. The based on the bit is not important here. So the install the Python in the F drive only, F drive, not the C drive, because already C drive, the Python software is available. The Python 3.6 is available. Python 3.7 is available. Python 3.8.0 available. 3.8.1 available. 3.8.2 available. Now the 3.8.3 of install in the new environment, new location, new drive. The drive is a F drive. Please wait for a few minutes. It takes some time, minimum 2 or 3 minutes, and then execute the. After completing, now the download process completed. Check the correctly, properly executed or not, properly installed or not. Now the Python 3.8.3 core interpreter is installed. Okay, this is the 32-bit core interpreter is installed. This is the bit, and there are the 2 bits. One is 32-bit, another one is a 62-bit. Okay, this is not important here. The bits is not important. You can install any one bit. Clear? So the installation process is completed. Please wait for within few minutes, and then after installation, check the given Python is available or not. After once Python software installed, setup is completed, and then go to the Django installation. Now, before going to Django installation, set up the environment to Django environment, and after install the Django software. This is very easy. First of completing the Python installation. Okay, once Python is installed, and verify the Python installation, which version you have to install, 3.8.3 or something. Right, so now here we are installing the 32-bit Python software. Ideally, this is completely ideally, not the other IDEs, completely Python 32-bit 3.8.3 version. the latest version. Okay, please wait for within 2 or 3 minutes maximum. First of all, install the Python properly, and okay, pip installation is completely. Otherwise, the pip install is not recognized. Pip is not recognized, and so on. All these are the errors. Okay, guys, up to here clear, all of you? Python installation. There is another process also. With the Django installation, this is only for the through Django IDLE and command prompt. Command prompt. This is the installation for. Okay, use this one is a installation Django installation. There are the two ways. One way is a command prompt. One way is command prompt. Another way is by using PyCharm IDE. Another is a PyCharm IDE, not the IDLE. That's the second way. Now the process is completed up to 75% of the installation is over. Okay, there are the two ways Python Django software installation. One is the command prompt. Through command prompt, first install IDLE Python and then the Django installation. But here we are directly install the PyCharm. There are again the PyCharm are the two versions. One is the community version, and the community version. Another one is another one is professional version. You can install the professional version directly and use the PyCharm, use the Django also directly. These are the two ways, either command prompt or PyCharm. First complete the command prompt process and then go for the PyCharm also. I will explain the later, no problem, not now. Okay, in this video, I will explain the PyCharm professional version also. Write a one project and create the project and execute the project immediately. Okay, almost 80% of Python installation is completed 3.8.3. Okay. So here one thing is important, end of the setup progress. This is the setup, Python setup is progress. End of the setup, add Python, add path is very important to tick the path. Otherwise, to set the system environment, that is another process. That's very difficult. So here to check the only. Okay. It takes some time. This is the installation. Once installation completed, okay, the installation process is based on the system speed. It will take some time, or below 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, based on your laptop progress configuration. Okay, please wait for 2 minutes. Command prompt. These are the steps required in python.org. Downloads, Windows operating system, Python 3.8.3. This is the latest Python version. Latest version. So released in the almost in the month of May. In the month of May, 3.8.3 version is released. The version of the 3.8.2 released in the February 25th. But here, and the latest was 8.3 released in latest was very in the month of May 2020. 8.3 3.8 released May 2020. Okay, now and the process is completed. Now new to Python, start with the online tutorial and documentation. No, and close. The Python is already setup is completely processed. The Python software 100% is successfully completed. Python 3.8.3. Okay, after completing, first to check the Python. First to check out the Python. So which okay, go to the command prompt. Here the command prompt is CMD. Go to the CMD. Now here go to the F prompt. First check it, F prompt. So dir by now here check the command prompt. The Python is available or not. Okay, and the clear the users. The users, we are creating the Python software users, and so here the Python is available. Clear, guys. So the Python is available. Now the Python is available or not. Okay, Python, check it. The Python software really installed or not. Python. Okay, Python version version. The which version you are installed here? The installation is completed. This is a newly latestly installed the Python 3.8.3. Clear guys up here? The latest version Python after installation complete once Python installation completed. How to verify the command? The command is the Python once installation completes. Once the installation has been completed, once installation completes, and then to checking the Python is available or not. Now that is the Python hyphen version. Now here to display the latest version. Now here the Python version. The latest version is Python 3.8.3. Okay, guys. And after installing, the pip is available or not? That's another question. The pip is available or not? Here pip hyphen version. If this is available, no problem, Andy. Now to verify the pip command. Now verify the pip version also. It is the pip version. Please wait for 2 minutes after to check the pip version. Okay. Pip version is displayed. It will take some time, only just 1 minute. The pip hyphen version is displayed. Okay, now here the latest version of the pip is Python. Okay, pip 19.2.3 that is available in the users Vishnu app data local program Python. This is the version of the pip. Okay, once Python is installed, Python is available and the pip is also available. And now here to check this one, really Django is available or not. Now the Django is not installed up to here. Now check it value Django admin and hyphen version. Once installation completed, check the Python version. To check Python version. Okay, what is the command to check the Python version? The command Python hyphen. Okay, Python is available. Okay, now here the Python is available. Python is available. So then check. To check pip is available or not. Pip is available or not. Okay, now the pip version, pip hyphen version. Now to check the value and immediately then the pip is also available. And then display the version. Now here the version is Python 3.8.3 version displays. Now here the pip version is displayed. It's not a compulsory. Pip 19.2.3. Okay, guys. Now here the output is a pip 19.2.3. Okay, pip is available and Python is available. After that, really the Django is available or not? Django, okay, hyphen version. So now this is available or not? But really this is not available. Why? Because you are not installed the Django. So now the displays the error. Fatal error in launcher unable to create the process. So now here the Django version is not available. Django admin.exe file is not available. This file is not available. Are you clear, guys, or not? Now to install the Django first of all. So now how to install the Django, sir? Okay, after pip is available and once the pip is available, okay, once the process is available, everything is available, then to install the virtual environment. Now the how to create the virtual environment. Okay, here the creating how to create a virtual environment. That is very important to create the virtual environment. Sir, what is a virtual environment, sir? A collection of projects is called a virtual environment. A collection of projects to create the virtual environment. And the virtual environment is the syntax is pip install virtual env. Pip install virtual env or another command virtual env wrapper. Okay, hyphen Windows operating system. Pip install virtual env wrapper Windows. This install the virtual wrapper only. Now the go to the command. The command is pip install virtual wrapper. Virtual env wrapper hyphen Windows. That's a Windows operating system or directly. So now there's no such installation. Wait 1 minute. Now here virtual env wrapper or virtual now the Windows or directly you can use the virtual env also, no problem. Now here to collecting all the virtual envs. Here these are the virtual envs. To collecting the virtual envs, set up the virtual environment. Okay. Now after installation of the virtual environment, first Python, and then check the pip is available or not, and then clicking the virtual env. These are the required steps. Okay, guys. And after running is set up, okay, done. Please wait for a few minutes, and the new process also displayed. Okay, the virtual environment version is so and so. That is the 1.2.6. Please wait within few minutes. Successfully install the virtual environment. Here the virtual environment is successfully installed. This version is successfully installed. Okay. The new latest Python 3.8.3 and the virtual environment wrapper is also both the, you can use anyone and either use the pip install virtual environment wrapper or another command also, no problem. In the last yesterday's class, pip install, you can use also pip install virtual env, both are same, no problem. Right here, once the process is completed, okay, please wait within few minutes and then go to the command prompt and then use the command and make one directory and mk virtual environment so and so name and creating the virtual environment. After creating the virtual environment, then immediately install the Django. Virtual environment is necessary here. Okay, it will take some time and a few minutes. There is a patience is very important here. Installation up to installation is very important. After installation process is completed, then immediately one by one, day by day, every day one concept is completed. Every day one concept. One day creating the views, one day creating models, one day creating forms, one day to creating the templates, one day for static files. Everything day by day, each and every day one topic is completed, no problem. But within total syllabus is maximum 15 to 20 days completed Django. With one project also. Finally, one e-commerce site creation also, one shopping cart project also completed within maximum days, 15 days. The first installation processing completed, and then installation setups is completed, and then the process is very easy. Okay. Now the collecting the number of files, the Django means it's a projects with a collection of files are very important. A very large number of files are collecting. Setting files, so manage.py file, settings file, views.py file, init file, all these files are collecting from the database. Okay, Nandi. Up to here, clear all of you? First Python installation, and then install the check the Python is available or not. After Python installation completed, and then click the after completing the installation, then check the pip is available or not. After Python and pip is completingly, and then go for to check the virtual environment. Now the virtual environment wrapper, virtual environment is created. So now the virtual environment is successfully created, successfully installed the virtual environment wrapper. The wrapper is the 1.2.6 virtual environment version. Okay. This process is also completed within few minutes. Please wait. Okay, once the environment also completed, and then go to the next step is to install the Django. Once we are in the environment, next to install the Django. That is very important. Okay. Once to create the environment, to create the virtual environment, to create the virtual environment. Now here we can is the MK virtual environment. Make the virtual env and any name of the virtual env, virtual environment name, any name. Now MK vir virtual env. The virtual environment is, for example, is Cosmic, or MK virtual. Okay, virtual env. The virtual environment is, for example, test, or MK virtual env. The virtual environment, for example, sample, or MK vir virtual env. And the virtual environment is, for example, Django 5PM. You can use any virtual environment name. This is the name of the virtual environment. any name, not only particular name, either examples, for example, different examples, and one for virtual env cosmic and another for the virtual env, for example, test version, test, any name, you can send your name also. For example, the another for is the virtual env sample, and another is the virtual env, MK virtual env, make the virtual env, the name is either cosmic or test or sample or Django 5 PM batch, any name. After completing this process, now the name creating the virtual env. After completing the virtual env, okay, after installing the, once we are installing the environment setup completed, now to install the, after completing the virtual environment, after completing the virtual environment, okay, then okay, then to install Django, Okay, now the install Django command is pip install Django. Now here the latest here Django latest version will be installed. That is the process. The installation process is completed based on the system speed. It will take some time, either 10 or 15 minutes process. That is very that is not clear. Okay, please wait for few minutes. Virtual environment is created first of all. Okay. Once the virtual environment is created, then immediately to install the Django. That is the process. Okay. Today maximum complete the installations also, and then immediately to check the given project is executed or not. So please wait for a few minutes. The process is completed almost. It's a very easy and best way to create the Django. Okay. Please wait. Very low. Now here we are using in the F drive. We are creating F drive. That's why F drive MK dir F colon we are F drive. I install the F drive. You can install the C drive also, no problem. F drive. Already maximum such a lot of softwares are available in our laptop. That's why you are using the F drive. You can install the same in the C drive only, not the F drive. Okay, after here also using the F/pip install the Django. Here F/pip install Django, and process is almost completed. Please wait and 2 minutes తప్పదు. వెయిట్ చేయాల్సిందే తప్పదు, అది రాదు, టైం తీసుకుంటుంది కొద్దిగా. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉండేది ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరికన్నా? ఎనీ డౌట్ అప్ టు హియర్? మాట్లాడచ్చు, పర్లేదు. చెప్పండి. హలో, చెప్పమ్మా. ఓకే అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే అండి. కొద్దిగా టైం తీసుకుంటున్నాము, ఆగాలి తప్పదు. సమ్ ఫైల్స్ లేట్ అవుతుంది బాగా, ఇక్కడ ఆగిపోయింది, స్టక్ అయిపోయింది. వస్తుంది, ఆగని కంగారు ఏం లేదు. ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్. Here we are using the various commands and the commands ఒకసారి చూసుకొని కావాలంటే the commands. సో మనం ఇమీడియట్లీ గా F డ్రైవ్ వెళ్ళేది. చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
సార్, పైథాన్ లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ కి మాత్రమే పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుందా Djangoకి? ఇప్పుడు 3.8.3 అన్నారు.
నో, ఎనీ వర్షన్, బట్ మీ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉందా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలండి ఇన్స్టాలేషన్. దానికోసం ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా పార్ట్ దగ్గర కానీ ఇక్కడ సెట్టింగ్స్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నాయా లేవో చెక్ చేసుకోవడం కోసమే ప్రీ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చెప్తున్నాను అంతే. నాట్ ఓన్లీ 3.8.3, 3.5, 3.6, 2.7, 2.2 ఎక్కడైనా ఓకే అండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఎక్కడైనా చేయొచ్చు. దట్ నాట్ వర్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇయర్, ఎనీ వర్షన్. బట్ మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ లేకుండా కోసం నేను చెప్పేది, లేటెస్ట్ గా యాడ్ పాత్ అనే దగ్గర యాడ్ పాత్ సెట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి క్లియర్ గా. ఓకే, ఏది పిప్ ఈజ్ నాట్ రికగ్నైజ్ అన్నది కాబట్టి. అమ్మాయి అడిగింది, తన పేరు ఏదో ఉన్నది, తను డౌట్ ఏదో చెప్పింది, ఒక వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టింది, సౌమ్య ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది సార్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది మనకి. దట్స్ వై మళ్ళీ క్రియేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ అని చెప్తున్నాను, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం మనం, అగైన్ ద సేమ్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం ఈ రోజు కూడా. సేమ్ అయిన టైం వేస్ట్ అయినా కొద్దిగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మీకు ఇది. ఓకే, చూస్తున్నారు ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా? ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు, బట్ లేట్ అవుతుంది అంతే, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదండి, జస్ట్ లేట్ అవుతుంది ఇది ప్రాసెస్ అంతే. ఈ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. Okay, and once the process is completed, next step is the once to create the virtual environment. Next is the MK virtual environment, any name. We have to set the any virtual environment. MK virtual is the syntax, any name of the virtual environment. Here our virtual environment is Cosmic, our virtual environment is test, our environment is sample, or the design, any one name and name and any name. After completing the virtual environment setup, then to install the Django. This is the command of the Django. Clear? The Django command process. So now the Django process is completed. So now the Django installation is the pip install Django. Right? Clear? After Django installation, to check the version only. After Django installation, after Django installation completed, then to check the Django version. To check the Django version. ఎలా చెక్ చేయాలండి Django version? Django admin hyphen version. Django admin and the hyphen version. This is the process for the completing the version. Clear guys, up here? For example, here one thing, so I will show you. For example, command prompt, another command prompt, for example, a D colon. So once the completed Django, for example, the process cd kusu from the subdirectory. So Django admin hyphen version. Now the version of the Django is, so now the kusu env, okay, slash the scripts slash, okay, activate, just wait and slash scripts slash activate the current environment. After creating the activate the current environment, Django admin hyphen version of the Django. Now here the old version is available. Python Django maximum 2.2 version is available here. Django 2.2 version is available. That's reading the data from the memory. The Django. Now the latest version of the Django is 3.0. Now the Django versions are already different versions and Django versions anukunnam. Django versions are now Django 1.0. Django 1.0 is available. 1.0 and the same as the 2.0. Okay, 2.0 version and Django 3.0 version. And the latest version last class lo Django last class version Django 3.0.6 is the latest version. Now whenever you are clicking the command Django -admin version, immediately displays the version of the Django. Here the Django version is. After once the Django is completely processed, Django -admin version. Now the version of the Django is 2.2.1. Here we are using the version is 2.2.1. Now the latest version, we are doing the another version. We are creating the another version also. The latest version is the Django 3.0.6. This is the version completely Django installation. Clear guys, up to here? Clear? Okay, thanks for